How does a warranty work? What does it cover? Which one is the best? We're going to discuss this and more now. Let's go. I want to start off by explaining how I tell our realtor partners is the best way to explain a warranty to their real estate clients. All home warranties are actually a service contract. The marketplace has adopted the word home warranty, but they are actually service contracts. The National Home Service Contract Association, which is comprised of warranty companies, specifically states that that's how they should be referenced. Therefore, when speaking to our realtor partners, I tell them to take this extra step further and say to their clients, this is a limited service contract. Because if you actually take a home warranty and read the terms, you will see that is exactly what they are. Plus, this saves face with you and your client when they think everything is covered. Now, when you're talking about coverages with your client, let them know that each company is different in their coverages, response time, and level of service. I always recommend making sure your client is covered for the core items of their home. Some warranties may have a lot of bells and whistles on the side, but really just focus in on the core items of the home and make sure there is adequate coverage for those things. Now, which home warranty is the best? Like any other product or service, everything is open for interpretation by its consumers and their individual experiences. I always tell our realtor partners to look at the reviews of the warranty company and their level of service. Any home warranty could say, we cover everything in your home, but if it takes 2 weeks for them to come out, or if you're speaking to someone maybe in a different time zone or in a language that's hard to understand, that's going to be a problem with your real estate client. Therefore, I recommend looking at BBB and Google reviews. Don't pay attention to the no-name review sites that can be manipulated. If you would like to learn more about home membership, our home warranty coverages, and our member benefits, please leave me a comment below and I will reach out to you direct, or feel free to click on the links below for more information. Thank you again from your home membership family.